as we were in college and before Nomad really started, the four of us, Clay, Shane, Will, and I, all worked at a rafting company up in Glacier Park. During the end of those rafting seasons, oftentimes in Montana, fire season would really blow up. And our boss at the time was retrofitting his rafting buses to carry firefighters to and from fires. And what we found on the fire line specifically was that there was a lack of communication, both for the firefighters themselves and even for incident management. The original idea was to put together buses similar to what our boss was doing at the time in the rafting company, retrofit them, put in some countertops and some computer workstations and that sort of thing, and kind of build an internet cafe out of an old school bus. As we kind of started to put together that project, it quickly morphed, and the school bus was maybe not the greatest platform ever. And Nomad was born.
When we first came up with the idea to build the equivalent of a mobile internet cafe, and we determined that the best platform was going to be to put it in a trailer-based environment. It was something that we could manage cost effectively. The obvious thing was we needed a place to put one of these things together, essentially to build our first prototype, to build our first project. And we were 3 or 4 guys basically that had nothing but good ideas, and that was about it. We didn't have any money. So we begged, borrowed, and stole enough to put together a prototype. We managed to get a small bank loan. My extended family had a barn that was a covered structure, although it has a few holes in the roof. And we basically managed to convert it into a mobile operations center manufacturing plant. We literally put down wood pallets to get out of the dirt, and we put up tarps to stay out of the rain. And so literally, we built our first units in this barn.
When we delivered our first vehicles at the first shows, it's funny because people came out and they looked at our vehicles like, oh, you're kind of the Home Depot, the command vehicle realm. And we had no idea who these other people were. We thought we were the only ones in the industry until we actually started going to the shows. As far as fit, finish, all that, we were way behind the curve on that kind of stuff. And so as we moved up and we got better and better, and of course our product got more and more expensive because it took longer to build, we always gave value to our clients. If they had an AV system that they wanted in their system, and also we realized that it wasn't going to work the way they wanted it to work because they didn't spec the right component, more than not, we just gave them that piece of equipment. We knew that a year later, no one was going to remember that that person spec'd it wrong. All they were going to know is the AV system didn't work and it frustrated them, and we wanted to make sure that our name was affiliated with quality and stuff that worked.
I couldn't have imagined when we started this company that we would be shipping product over to Saudi Arabia or down into Panama or Ecuador, basically a global footprint. Our focus at the time was just a small little section of Montana, and we thought maybe it would expand a little bit beyond that. Maybe we'd get lucky and be able to sell some things nationally, but now our platform is truly global. To have that global platform and to be based here in Montana is a pretty special thing.
The opportunity to build a sphere of influence in this market, in this community, in this growing business has been something amazingly special. And it really comes down to the people. I love the fact that I'm able to grow and learn every day with this group of people. And that really is what this whole business is about us learning what our customers need and how to serve them effectively and making a difference in their lives and the lives of the team that serves them each and every day.